Well, good morning, everyone, team. Welcome back to the session. Day 2 demo session on Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. So, in the yesterday's session, we had our demo class 1. And as part of yesterday's demo class, what we have seen, team, I have introduced to you about this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. So what is this technology is about? Why this technology in the market is there? Like any company, for what purpose they will be using this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications that we have seen, team. So to have a sequential understanding, initially first I introduce it to you about myself, what I am and what experience that I have in this technology and what projects that I worked on in this technology. That I have introduced it to you first of all. And then I have walked through about TrioTech software trainings. So when I started TrioTech, then what are our corporate partners where we conducted several corporate trainings to them. These things I have shown you. And then we have also seen our presence in different social media, starting from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, everywhere, team. And also, we have seen the agenda for yesterday's session. In yesterday's session, team, we have covered these aspects. First, I introduced to you the concept of ERP. And then we spoke about what is Fusion application and Fusion applications evaluation overview. So typically, what is ERP? We have seen what are the different products under ERP we have in the market, for what purpose these will be used in the companies in real time that we have seen. And within that, what is exactly Oracle HCM Cloud? Human Capital Management Cloud. What does that mean? For what purpose in the companies this will be used? That we have seen, team. And much prior to that, I also introduce it to you the course audience.
Your voice is going away. Sorry.
Going away in the sense not audible.
Yeah, it's very low now.
Very low. Is it for everyone or only for Varun?
No, it's fine.
It's
It's
fine.
it's
We are
audible.
able to hear you.
Yes,
Okay.
it's
Thanks,
clear.
thanks.
Yeah, we can
Varun?
able to hear your voice properly.
Okay, okay.
At
Now it's
times,
okay, but
somewhere.
when he has reported, voice was very low.
Mm-hmm. No worries.
Sometimes it happens. Yesterday also
Between
it
maybe network issues.
Okay, fine, fine. No worries, no worries. Let me continue. I'm keeping everyone in mute. Sorry for that. Right, team. So we have seen the course audience, like for whom this course is meant for. Who are the people can learn this technology? So as I mentioned to you yesterday, if you fall in any of these criteria, then you are absolutely eligible for this course I told you. Any prerequisites to learn this course, that all we discussed here, team. And then I have also explained you the Fusion evolution path, like prior to Oracle Fusion, what are the products that Oracle having and Oracle acquired, and then how Oracle launched the product in which year, that all background or the history of the Fusion application we have discussed here yesterday, team. And then I also explained you Fusion applications product portfolio. Under Fusion applications, Oracle offering what are all the products that I have given information in this respective slide. And then I also told you types of companies involved. Generally, any software application you take in the market, typically three types of companies will be involved, I told you: service provider, client, consulting company. And once you learn this particular program, in what sort of companies you will be recruited and what you will be doing. That we have discussed in types of companies. And then I introduce it to you the Fusion environment releases in the year 2011 when Fusion introduced when Oracle introduced the Fusion application. What is the release version that they came up with? Since then, how it got evolved, what is the latest version of the Fusion application, and the quarterly upgradation policy. Every year, how many times Oracle will upgrade their application. I told you quarterly upgradation Oracle following, and they name it quarterly as ABCD. And what is the versioning sequence they are following? Current version as of September, I told, that is 25C. So how 25A, 25B, 25C, 25D, next year 26A, 26B. What is the pattern in the numbering that Oracle following for upgrading their application? And I told you there are certain activities that we have to perform whenever we are in this real time working. During the upgrades, every time we have to perform certain activities also, I told you. But what are they? Detailedly, we didn't went on. I told you when we come to the workshop session on implementation project and support project, I will tell you about them, I told. Then we spoke about what are the modules we have in Oracle HCM Cloud. Functional, what we have, technical, what we have. And as part of this training program, what modules that we are covering in this, then how the demand in the market and what roles having high demand in the market. These all things we discussed at team. And before closing the session yesterday, I have also shown you few of the placement success stories from TrioTech. Who are the different people they got placed in different companies, and then the freshers recruitments, how happening in the market, then some of the student feedbacks, live testimonials, and the course highlights. How many days the program will be, what support you will be getting as part of this training program. And yesterday we given an offer for the program on the occasion of Dashara, and what is that offer price, what additional benefits you got, that all we discussed in our yesterday session team. Now today, okay, now today I'll be continuing from here onwards. These two topics, because of time constraint, I have not covered in yesterday's session. So in today's session, let me take up these topics initially. First of all, Oracle Knowledge Repository and Oracle Certification Process. After these two, I will introduce to you the Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application, how to log in into the system, or when a customer buy the product from Oracle, in which form the application will be delivered, how they can access the Fusion system. Then after logging in, what are the basic home screen level functionalities we have. That all we will see in today's session. So first of all, Oracle Knowledge Repository. What do you mean by Oracle Knowledge Repository? As a aspirant who learning this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application, if you want to refer any standard Oracle delivered materials or documents related to this particular technology, where you have to go and you have to find. Anyhow, as I mentioned to you, as part of this training program, I'm going to provide you all the custom materials for all the modules. As I mentioned yesterday, I have shown you also, right? Custom materials that what we have with screenshots and navigations, everything. But on top of the materials that I provide, if you want to access Oracle standard implementation guides, admin guides, user guides for this particular technology, where in the internet we have to go and we can find them. Secondly, I told you Oracle following quarterly upgradation policy. Every three months, Oracle upgrading their application. What happens every time? I told you Oracle will come up with some new enhancements in the system, some new features Oracle bringing every time. So how we will come to know in this quarterly upgrade what all new features Oracle brings in the system in each module? Because as I mentioned yesterday, in real time, whenever you are working in the projects, every time when upgrade Oracle bringing in the system, we have to prepare impact analysis document. Means in each module what functionalities Oracle bringing in, whether is it useful to your client or any existing functionalities are impacting or not with that new feature, that we have to present to the client every time. Generally, the senior people will do that one in the project, but we should know, first of all, in this quarterly upgrade, what new features Oracle bringing in the system, or from the learning curve. As I mentioned yesterday, if you want to be in the competition, you have to know what happening in your technology every three months when application providing some new functionalities in the system, you should also aware of. So everyone make a habit of this one. Every 3 months once, spend at least half an hour to 45 minutes and explore what features Oracle bringing in this upgrade team. So where we can go for this purpose also, Oracle will release notes document in the internet. In this upgrade, what features they are bringing in the system. A clear cut documentation Oracle will release with screenshots and navigation team. So where we can find them, Oracle standard documents or materials, and also release notes every quarterly upgrade. What new features Oracle bringing in the system? To explore that, we should know Oracle knowledge repository in the system. How we can go in the internet and find? Just go to your internet. Okay, go to internet, type as docs.oracle.com. Go to internet, Google Chrome, Firefox, anything. Just type with this team docs.oracle.com, documents.oracle.com. Okay. See, when I came in, few of you might have a question in mind. As Kumar associated with Oracle, he having access to this website. Nothing like that. It's an open forum. Anyone can able to access this. Even you try it now. I'm dropping this URL in the Zoom chat. You might be in the mobile or you might be in the laptop connecting the session now. Just click on that URL in the Zoom chat. You can able to log in. Anyone can able to access this one team. So here if I come, system asking me to sign in. Did I sign in already to get access to this? No, it's an open thing team. Now, once after you coming here, all the Oracle products you can see, cloud infrastructure, Java, systems, then database, operating environments, on-premises application, and cloud application. Our technology is what team? Oracle Fusion Cloud, Fusion Application Suite. NetSuite is another ERP of Oracle for the economical clients, basically. Okay, for small companies, Oracle providing this one. Ours is this one, Oracle Fusion Application Suite. Come to cloud applications, Fusion application. Under that also, yesterday I told you different products Oracle offering: financial, supply chain, CRM, human resource. Ours is HCM, human capital management. Go to human resource here, click on it. Now you will land upon this page. Here on the left hand side, go to all books. So if you come to all books here. The page will come to that screen. And here you can filter what books you want to access. You want starter guides, implementation guides, admin guides, user guides, what you want. I want implementation material team. How to configure the module. Let's say I want to access that. Okay. Come to implementation. If you filter with implementation, you can see all the module PDFs, implementing absence management, implementing journeys, implementing benefits, compensation, global HR, global payroll, help desk. For payroll, country-wise, we have localization concept team, Bahrain, Canada, China, all the documents of that you can see. Time and labor. Yesterday I introduced it to you, right? The modules in the HCM. For every module, you can see core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation, benefits, every module PDFs you can see here, team. So I want to implement core HR module. Just click on this PDF symbol. You will be landing upon that PDF here, team. See, Oracle Fusion Cloud Human Resources, implementing global human resource. So you can see the table of content, every topic in the core HR module, a clear-cut theoretical explanation. Okay, everything you can able to find out. But see, Oracle standard materials are very hefty, very vast, team. You can download them also. If you click on it, it will download also. So hence, I suggest use our material. This will be easy to handle in our own custom understanding way. I mean to say, in our English terminology, in our day-to-day usage terminology, we customized all the materials for your easy to understand. Better follow the materials what I provide to you. But on top of this, anytime if you want to refer Oracle standard materials, this is the navigation you have to come. Every module materials you can able to download from here, team. Then, okay, materials everywhere you can find out. I have shown you. Next, team, release notes. Every quarterly upgrade, when Oracle providing the upgrade team, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system. In this screen only, above all books, go to cloud readiness here. Cloud readiness here. So once you come to cloud readiness, you are already in the human capital management filter only. You land upon this one. Here you can select a release, latest updates, prior updates, all updates. You can filter team what you want. I'm filtering with latest update. If I scroll down now, so you can again filter with the product wise team, modules wise. So in human resources, payroll, we have different filters. Let me select all only. See, now we are in 25 release, correct? Yesterday I told you. Now the latest version is what? 25C. Even our application is also in the release of what? Yesterday I told you. We have to go here and we have to come to about this application team. Login and all yesterday I have shown you. That's why I just came to this screen. Current version is 25C, I told you. See, the next upgrade is what as per our sequence? We are entering October month in one day. The next upgrade will be 25D. Correct. In the next month, we will get the upgrade. The document is ready. In the next coming release in 25D, what in the benefits module Oracle bringing new features? In compensation module, what Oracle bringing? In help desk, in human resources, HR module, this is team. Then we have a learning and development, OLC. Then we have ORC, recruiting cloud. Then talent management module, absence management module, time and labor module. What's new in 25D? If I click on that, about the compensation module, expand here team and expand here, these are the new features Oracle bringing in. Redwood experience for workforce compensation landing page. What is that new feature? Which screen in the front end is impacting? Like this, it will give team. Every page, if I select this one, some new feature, restrict salary, individual compensation from my compensation page. What is that screen? Where that impact is there? Everything, any steps to follow to enable that feature. Okay. Like this team, in each module, what all functionalities Oracle bringing in the system, we can able to explore here. We can able to explore here. See, we are in 25C release now. Next upcoming release is 25D, next quarterly upgrade. So Oracle given a clear-cut documentation for all modules in the system here. Next compensation is done. Let's say in core HR module, if you want to explore, go to human resource, expand this, expand this. These all are the new functionalities in the core HR module team. So what is that feature? Where is the impact is there in the front end? Like this, Oracle provide the documentation to us. So these things, no one will tell you. I'm telling you very clearly in that any training part, this will not be covered. But why I am telling this is mandatory thing that you people have to follow. Don't take it light. In every project that you are going to work in the coming days, it's a standard protocol. Every 3 months, once we have to explore all the upgrades that Oracle bringing in the system. Not half an hour more than that team. Just spend 30 minutes of your valuable time. Just explore each module, what all coming. See, now you are new to application. You feel everything is overloaded to remember. But once you start working in this technology, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months completed, all the screens, you will become very comfortably remembering them. So you can easily cope up by looking at that feature. Acha, okay, here it is coming, right, like that. So this is something we have to keep it as an exercise throughout our working in this technology. So this is about accessing the Oracle standard material for each module and also release notes for every quarterly upgrade. Right. Next team, Oracle certification process. Here, why I kept this point is few of the participants having the requirement related to certification, particularly people joining from US, UK, Canada in the call, okay, or Australia. Certifications people are asking. Even yesterday after the demo session, when they were talking with the team, even my team also informed me that few of the people having some doubt related to certification. So let me clear about this team. How in the Fusion application, certification concept will work. First of all, is it mandatory to do that or is it optional concept? Let me go to Excel and let me brief you about this team. See, like every other technologies in the market, for our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications also, we have certification concept team, Oracle certification process. Okay, please follow. This is also very important knowledge you people should have. Either you do or not, doesn't matter, but you should know this knowledge. Okay. Oracle certification process. One point, everyone should be clear. For the entire application of Oracle HCM, we don't have a certification Oracle offering team. What is that? For entire course or for entire technology, we don't have a certification exam or a certification Oracle offering. Then how, Kumar? We have different modules in the system. I introduced it to you yesterday. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation. Module wise, we have certifications. What is that team? We have module wise certification. Core HR, if you take, we have a certification exam by name, Oracle Global Human Resource. Okay. Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud Implementation Specialist. Okay. Specialist. Then Oracle Absence Management Cloud Implementation Specialist. Okay. Oracle Absence Management Cloud Implementation Specialist. Okay. Like that, module wise, Oracle conducting the certification exam. So there will be examination code also. For core HR, it is IZO 1046/25. Then for absence management, IZO, okay, 1054 or 1056, something is there. Correct me, whatever it is. I mean, I'll share the exact code later on if anyone want. So for every module, Oracle conducting the certification exam at a large for entire application, one certification, no. Anyone who want to plan your certification, module wise, you have to pick up team. For each module, Oracle conducting. So how you have to apply for this? Once the training is done, okay, with the knowledge that we provide and also with the dumps that we provide and all team, if you are planning to write the certification exam, there are two ways to book your exam. Basically, team, Oracle partnered with a company called View Pearson. Many of you might aware of this company, team, in your educational times when you are when your graduations and all. If you want to write any English proficiency test like Pearson, PTE exam, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, we used to have Pearson test centers in across all the cities, right? So Oracle partnered with this company. You can Google it. You can find directly. View Pearson. This is the company that Oracle partnered with. Pearson.view.com. If you go here, team, this is the website of that company. Okay, Pearson View. So here you can go, you can search your exam, create your account, okay, and book your exam, and you can schedule your exam and you can write. Prior to COVID, we don't have online examination concept. We used to go to View Pearson Test Center across the world. In different cities, we have Pearson Test Centers. In India, we have in all major cities, in Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore, everywhere. We have to go there, we have to pay the fee, we have to book the exam, and we used to sit there and we used to give our exam. But post COVID, everything became online. Oracle, along with the offline, introduced online examination screening. You can go to View Pearson website, search with your exam code or exam name, then choose the available slot in the calendar, book your exam, pay the fee, then sit in your home and write the exam. But you will be video monitored. So don't do any mistakes here. It's a video monitored. A invigilator will be monitoring you when you're writing the exam, team. Or else you can go to education.oracle.com directly. Either you can go to View Pearson or directly you can go to Oracle University website also. Just in the internet, if you go and type education.oracle.com, you will land upon Oracle University's page. Here you can come to certification and you have to select the product, schedule your exam. You can choose the schedule exam, pick up your module, and you can book your exam and you can write team. So these are the two places that we can go and we can schedule our exam. What is the cost for each module Oracle charging? Around 23,000 Indian rupees, 23K INR, subjective to the correction, 1000 plus or minus, 23K plus applicable taxes. Okay, applicable taxes. This is the examination fee, 23,000 plus taxes approximately. Oracle charging for each module to conduct the certification exam and issue the certificate, team. What is the pattern of exam prior to 2024? We are in 25 now. Prior to 24, examination pattern was completely MCQs, multiple choice questions. we used to have in each module. Core HR is a big module. We used to have around 80 to 90 questions. Absence is a small module. We used to have 55 to 60 questions. Module to module, that will vary. All are MCQs. Question with A, B, C, D options. We used to write that thing. But in COVID, many manipulations, many malpractices came into the market. Everyone cheating the examination. Oracle made their examination more complex. From last year, 2024, Oracle introduced MCQs plus scenarios. Means what thing? Few questions, MCQs will be there. Few questions, Oracle giving scenario, giving the environment there, and asking you to configure that setup in the system directly. Practicality Oracle introduced in their certification team. Now the pattern is MCQs plus scenario. Pass percentage is 75%. Negative marking will be there. If you fail the exam team, it's only one attempt. You book the exam, you paid the fee, you return the exam, you got failed. That's all. Done. You won't have multiple attempts here. Only one attempt. You have to be very thorough enough. And it's a non-refundable if you failed also. If you pass the exam, you will be issued with a certificate from Oracle University. You will get tutored with a mail immediately after the examination team. So this is the examination pattern. Now, Kumar, you explain how it is happening, what is the price, and what is the pattern. Is it mandatory, first of all? If you ask me personally, a big no. A big no. It's not mandatory to do the certification thing. Why certifications are there then? Obviously, that defines your credibility with this technology. But when you're starting your career in this domain, now you're learning this program and you're dropping the resume in the Naukri. Some are dropping it as a freshers. Some might be updating their current experiences into Oracle HCM and you will drop whatever the waiting. By looking at your certification, they won't recruit you, definitely. Though you have a certification, you mentioned there, a call might schedule, but ultimately it's your performance in the interview to get selected or not. When certifications might be helpful to you means once after you getting into any company, you are working in any of the project, your company mapped to any project, that client is very particular. Whoever the resources working in their project, they all should be certified implementation consultants only. Then your project manager will insist you do the certification client is asking to produce there on behalf of your records and all. At that point of time, you might be required to do. Or in IT companies, when you join from 1 year to next year, when you are moving team, performance appraisals companies will do. Your project manager or your HR manager might see your certification that what you did in that year as a one of the criteria in giving the ratings to you for that year team. In these two scenarios only, certifications might play a role. At this point of time, no need to worry. No one need to complete their certifications. 100% not required. You no need to spend your money from your pockets. Once you join any company, if project manager asking you to do, your client is asking, company will bear the cost to you because Oracle for their partnered companies, Oracle will provide free coupons to them. So companies will bear the cost on behalf of you. Your company will pay on behalf of you to get you certified. Make use of that kind of arrangements. You no need to spend your money from your own pockets and do the certification. That doesn't serve the purpose right now. Your job is not decided based on that. But subjective to correction. In US, UK, Canada, Australia, even my Middle East folks, people joining from UAE, Saudi, Kuwait, Bahrain, in these countries, certifications are more fascinated. HRs might be looking very key observed on the certification part team. So people joining from these regions, you can decide that would be an added advantage in your profile or not. But in India, maximum people in the call who are there. In India, we are not seeing this as a mandatory criteria. So this is reality. Please take it as granted. So just for your understanding purpose, I covered this topic. Certification, if you ask me, no need to have that one. So if anyone want to do the certification also, we will help you out with the dumps. So yesterday, whoever enrolled, we are giving with that early bird offer with a free of cost. But whoever a part of that is there, definitely on a charge basis, we will be providing you dumps for each module. So dumps means what? For every module, whatever the exam you are going to write, the interview, the examination question and answers will be readily available with us. So we will provide you that before you writing the exam. So by using that, you can able to easily clear that team. On top of this, if any further support needed also, our team will guide you how to write the exam, any kind of other than regular support. Hope you understood what I'm trying to tell. Any other support if you want in clearing the examination also, our team will assist you. You can reach out to our team. They will guide you with the certification and all. So this is about Oracle certification process. Now, whatever we left out in yesterday's topic that we covered team. Now let me introduce to you Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. I was telling you yesterday, Oracle Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based technology. Correct. Let me go to Fresh Excel. Oracle Fusion Cloud applications are completely on a cloud-based technology team. Cloud-based technology. What do you mean by cloud-based technology? A software that is hosted over the internet. Cloud-based technology. Everywhere we are seeing cloud computing everywhere. So any software that is hosted over the internet, we call it as cloud-based technology. So how we will be accessing the Fusion applications? Do we need to install that application in our laptop or in our desktop? Or when any company buy the product from Oracle, do they need to buy the server, networking, DBS, everything from Oracle and they used to maintain in their office premises? No. They can buy the application from Oracle and they can directly accessing them in their systems. This is completely cloud-based. Perfect example, our gmail.com. How you will access your Gmail or Instagram or Facebook? Okay, in mobiles, we have applications to them. But if you want to access them from the laptop or anything, directly you can go to Google and you type it as gmail.com. It will ask you sign in password. If you give your user ID and password, you would be able to enter into that email and you can start sending your emails, right? Are you running any software in your laptop to access that? Are you installing anything in your laptop or desktop? Nothing. Same way, Fusion applications also. For example, you take like this thing. Our very well-known companies only we will take as an example. In India, we have Tata Group is there. Okay, all of us know. For example, today on 30th September, Tata Group decided that they want to purchase Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications from Oracle because this application is owning by Oracle Corporation. Okay. Oracle is the owner of this product. So Tata Group reached Oracle and they're buying this product from Oracle team, Oracle HCM Cloud. In their day-to-day HR activities to maintain, Tata want to purchase Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud from Oracle. So when Tata Group purchased the product from Oracle, how the product will be delivered to them? How in the sense, in which form the product will be delivered to them? Just in the form of this URL. Just in the form of this URL. Okay. 1 second, team. Okay. This is our Fusion Cloud Applications team. Just in the form of this URL, the application will be delivered to the customers. This is our Fusion application. Just a web link, a URL. Just take this web link, go to any of your Google, Instagram, Google, Internet Explorer, Firefox, any of your browsers you go. Just type that URL in your search bar team. Enter. Now see, my page is loading where I landed upon Oracle Cloud. Okay. And then it is asking me username and password team. I have to provide the username and password. So once I provide username and password here team. Okay. Once I provide my username and password here team. And if I click on sign in my system, all my username and passwords are auto saved because every batch I will use them. But we have to input team, the username and password here, name and password. Account details we have to keep. And once we keep, and if you click on sign in, screen is loading. I could able to enter into the application. So this is our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications user interface. Okay. Once you give your user ID and password, click on the home button, you will land up onto the home screen. This is our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. The look and feel of the screen will be like this. So did I install anywhere this software in my laptop? No. Just a basic laptop with good internet connection. If you have that team, you can able to use Oracle HCM Cloud application. So today we are going to share this instance access also for practicing. So people till today morning also we have enrollments. So you are in the queue. Our admin team creating the accounts for every one of you related to learning portal, which I have shown you yesterday, and also adding you into the new WhatsApp community. So today all will be done. And today I'm going to share you this instance also to explore by yourself. So what I'm trying to tell here is team, Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based model. If any company buying the product from Oracle in order to use in their day-to-day life, application will be delivered just in the form of this URL, web link. Just if you go and copy paste that in your Google search engine, and if you give your user ID and password, when you log in, you have to provide your account details team. Then you will be able to enter into the application and you can start using the Fusion system team. So this is about the Fusion Cloud Applications technology or the framework it is working. Now, I want to introduce to you some of the jargons or the terminologies that you people have to follow when you are working in this technology. Because when you are in the real-time projects in the IT companies, when you are working, we have to be also more professional. See, these all are consulting jobs team. The day you start your employment with this technology, you will be becoming more professional. Means interacting with the clients, then dealing with the teams, everything. You have to be more professional. So in the same way, whenever you are referring the Fusion application, you should not call it with regular layman language. There are certain names that which Oracle is suggesting to refer or to call their Fusion applications. What are they? URL, web link. These all are very generic terminologies, layman terminologies team. URL, web link and all. You have to refer Fusion applications with these names. What are they? We can call it as instance. instance, we can call it as environment or environment. Okay. Instance, environment, server, okay, or you can call it as a tenant, you can call it as a sandbox, or you can call it as a pod, POD, platform on demand. So these are the names that you have to refer the Fusion applications. When you are working in a real-time project, when you are speaking with your colleague in the team and you are asking, hey, can you please give the application access of that particular client? Don't refer, hey, can you please give me the URL of that client? No, that is very unprofessional. You have to refer the Fusion application with these names. Can you please give me the instance of that client? Or can you please give me the environment of that client? Or please share me the tenant details of that client? Or can you please give me the pod details of that client? Like that, we have to refer. Okay. So these are the names that we can call or refer Fusion applications in our day-to-day discussions in our organization. Instance, environment, server, tenant, sandbox, pod. Pod means platform on demand. Right, team? Here also, yesterday when I mentioned in the course features and all, 5 months of Oracle server access I mentioned. Server access means Fusion application access to you, this one team. Okay, so these are the names. And one more important observation or the knowledge everyone should have. What is that? See, sometimes whenever you're working in the real-time companies, you might be asked to work for multiple projects also. Sometimes in rare situations, not every time, but in some situations, depending upon the urgency or the requirement team, your project manager might ask you to work for multiple projects team. Generally, in support projects, in this technology, we have different projects are there that I will tell you. What do you mean by implementation? Here I will introduce to you different types of projects: implementation, support, testing. Implementation means what you do, support means what, testing means what. I'll talk about them when we come to this workshop session on placement activities team. So when you are working in the support projects, many of the times you might require to work for multiple clients team, because as a pool, as a team, 10 members or 15 members as a team, you will work for multiple projects team. During that time, how you can identify which client's environment is what? The application is in the form of just URL, right? Something is there, https fa/etag, some URL name is there. How you will identify which client URL is what? Okay, which client's environment is what? See, when Oracle selling the product in the market, very important, please focus. When Oracle selling the product in the market to their customers, for customer to customer, for Oracle, Tata is customer in our example team. For customer to customer, when Oracle selling the product, these 4 characters pod number will be unique in the web, in the URL team. https slash fa/etat, right? In every client instance, these 4 characters, we call them as pod number, POD number. Kumar, they are in character format. You are telling it as number. Yes, they are in character format, but we call them as pod number. These 4 characters are unique team. So one client have ETAT. Some other client might have, okay, EWAS, or some other client might have, okay, some other client might have some other 4 characters team. So customer to customer, when Oracle selling the product team, in the application, this 4 characters pod number will be unique. So if you are working for multiple projects in your real time, By looking at that 4 characters pod number, you can identify that instance is related to which client and that instance is related to which client. Like that, you can able to identify the client environments in real time. So this is very important key takeaway from today's session. Okay. Then team, as we are in the training phase now, in order to conduct the trainings, Oracle provides certain instances. For that environments at the end, or even here also team, after our pod number, SAS FA demo, then oracledemos.com. In the URL, if you see how the URL coming, at the end, oracledemos.com, SAS FA demo. But in reality, in the actual live environments of your client, you won't find this wording here after your pod number. Okay, and here also Oracle demos you won't find. The URL will come like this, oracledemo.com. Say Oracle Cloud.com, it will come. These are the fundamental node differences you have to identify, team. Our training environments will come with the extension as oracledemos.com. Here also SAS FA demo, it will come, team. As such, these are the training environments. But in real time, whenever you are working, the client URLs will be in this format. FA slash your 4 characters pod number, then you have some code DS FA, something like that. And at the end, you will see coming as oraclecloud.com. And this DSFA also, team, this is the date, this is the code that related to Oracle servers, team. Oracle having their servers in different countries across the world. In US, they have their servers maintained. In Russia, they have. In Middle East, they have. In Singapore, Malaysia, they have their servers, team. So your client application maintaining from which server of Oracle, that codes are related to that, but that is not necessary for us, team. Just identify the main fundamental differences. Client to client, the 4 characters pod number will be differed. And in reality, the instance will come like this, oraclecloud.com. But our training environment, you can see coming as oracledemos.com, team. But within this also, we have to talk about types of environments in the system. What do you mean by types of environments? Some of my working friends already who are into IT industry, but into different technologies, now moving here, join the class, or people who have prior EBS experiences or PeopleSoft experiences, you might know we have production environment, development environment, test environment, QA, pre-pod, different names clients will call, team. Within environments, we have different types, but that will be too early to explain you. You won't understand at this point of time. So once we complete our training or in midway of our training, when I take up this project workshop sessions, okay, here I will introduce to you what are the different types of environments that we will have in the project. Development means what, test environment means what, production environment means what, that I will tell you during that time. But at this point of time, in the initial learning phase, yes, we started. Yesterday we had a demo and today also we are continuing that. At this point of time, everyone in the call, I want to have the knowledge that what I have explained to you today. Means what, team? When any company buy the product from Oracle, how the application will deliver to them. Cloud-based means what? How it is working. Then customer to customer, within the instance or the URL, what will be the unique pattern? The 4 characters pod number will be unique, I told. And our training environments and the real-time environments in the URL, what will be the differentiation? I told you. Till here, everyone should be Be clear on that team. Now, once we log in into the system team, what we have here, first of all, while we logging in only, let me sign out. First of all, when we logging into the system only, a prompt page came. When I pass my URL here, I got this prompt page, Oracle Cloud Account Sign In. This is the pod number of this instance team. ETAJ is the pod number. So whatever I kept here, now we have ETAT, EWAS, we have no. So here ETAJ is the pod number of this instance that we are using team. So just if you go, here I have ETAJ. Currently my environment is that one team. I have the training environment with me. So just if I take this up and if I keep in my Google Chrome or any search engine, when I enter, so this is the page I will land upon. So this is the pod number team. And here we have to give our username and password. Kumar, how this account will come to us? We will be sharing to you today in your WhatsApp community after you are adding the instance user ID and password. I will share with you team. But generally, when we are working in the real time, when we are about to start our client's project implementation, how the user accounts will be created to our team members, that we will be covering in our very first topic, that is security administration. In tomorrow's session, I am going to start with our very first module training, security. Any project you go in real time, the very first fundamental knowledge everyone should have will be the security administration. In this security administration module, we are going to see that user account creation, providing the access to that user, what functionalities he should able to access in the system. Entire user management will handle in this module team. So tomorrow I'm going to start with this security administration module. In that I will tell you how the username, password or the user account creation to any user in the Fusion system will happen. That we will take up tomorrow. Then team, once you put in your username and password, like every other applications you are using, if you forgot your password to your account, we have forgot password option team. If you click on it, you can give your email, because when any account is created in the Fusion system for any user, email ID of that person we will provide. When you click on forgot password, system will send to that registered email ID the password reset link. If you know everything, you can click on sign in. And then Fusion applications are multi-language supportive application. So when you logging into the system only, if you select your language, now I'm changing it to some French team. Now see, the application will change to French here itself. Everything change it to French language. See, everything change it to French. Or if I keep it in Arabic, everything change it to Arabic. See, so Oracle Fusion applications are multi-language supported applications. If any user who using the instance or the application, they want application to be in their own native language, they can select here itself and they can sign in team. Now I kept in English only and I'm signing in. So once you give your user ID and password in the system, you will be able to enter the Fusion Cloud applications. So this is the home screen within the Fusion applications team. This is the home screen within the Fusion application. So I'll conclude here for today. In tomorrow's session, we will be discussing detailedly what all these functionalities, what is this 3 lines, what are all these icons in the system. And if I click on this right side settings action, we are getting some functionalities here. What are they? Entire detailed intro about the application I'll take up tomorrow. And then I'll start with our very first module as part of our training, security administration. So before taking the questions for today, so for maximum people, by last night, we have shared the emails from our institute team. So I request everyone, please do check out your spam folders also. For a few of the people, we noticed email sitting in the spam folder. Once please check out when you have registered yesterday, whatever the email IDs you provided to us, we have sent emails to you regarding the access team. What we mentioned in that, how to log in into our website. Because every day after the session, if you want to watch the recording again, what are the steps you have to follow by coming to TrioTechSoftwareTrainings.com, live classes, login, inputting. This account details we have sent across via your email. Please do check out. If anyone not yet received that team, please get yourself uh, getting that access. Reach out to the admin team. Please inform them. People who enrolled today morning, 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, we have seen some enrollments in the list. For them, no worries. By afternoon, you will get the email. But if you enrolled yesterday and you have not received, please once reach out to our support number and you get your access creation done. And today you all will be added into new WhatsApp community. So starting from today, any communication that I have to do with you, okay, I'll be sharing it in the community. It might be the materials, it might be the instance access for practicing. Every community, class timings, anytime we are giving a break for class because of festivals or holidays, anything, I'll be communicating to you in the WhatsApp community. That is the community that I have to communicate with you. I have the medium. So please check yourself if you have enrolled in that or not. By today evening, if you have not received the WhatsApp community link to join, please request the support team. They will add you in the community. So these two things, please check out. If you are not checking out, you paid the fee, you have not informed to us, and you have not added in the WhatsApp community and also the portal access, you are disconnected. So please do check out from your end also equally, because out of this count, 1 or 2 people, our team also might miss. So please check out from your end and get yourself all the details about the program. So tomorrow onwards, the regular classes and the training will start. Yesterday and today, the intro demo part completed team. Strictly from tomorrow, the sessions will be starting. I have observed today also till 7:15, 7:20 people are joining. I can understand 7 o'clock is early to you, but please make yourself available by 7 sharp so that we can also start the session on time and we can complete it on time team. And meeting link will be changing from tomorrow. We will be sharing a separate meeting link in the community for the people who enrolled today, till today. Okay. So from tomorrow, the meeting link is not this one. We will share it separately in your community. Only the enrolled people can join that class from tomorrow team. So I request everyone, if anyone not yet confirmed their enrollments, please do complete your registrations today so that from tomorrow you will get all the access and also the class meeting link to attend the session team. So any questions as such in today's topic, online people?
So,
Yeah.
hi Kumar,
Hey, hi, Shashi or Vaishali, who is
Vishali. Yeah,
yeah,
so
Vaishali, sorry.
about the certification, is there a time limit for the certification?
18 months
it's only valid for 18 months?
generally, but no one will count that exactly. But 18 months is what Oracle given timeline for the validity.
Okay, and after that, you have to retake
Do the
the.
latest paper.
Okay, okay, thanks.
Hi, Kumar. Two questions. Sorry, I missed out yesterday due to the time confusion. I was thinking that 7 p.m. So the offer is still valid?
That you can check with the admin team. Yes, today because we have some requests because salary day is today for many of the people.
Yeah, that's
So
one of the reasons.
we extended it for till today. Yes, I know
Okay,
because some people are requesting that. No worries, till today you can do that.
Okay, and the second one is that when you were just showing the demo, you said that NetSuite and HCM.
Correct.
it's a price difference is there. So what's the majority where, because I don't want to disclose one of the company where I went for an interview, they were using that NetSuite.
Okay.
So that was the case. So if by any chance we are learning HCM,
We are
and
not learning it. See, NetSuite is a product which Oracle developed for small companies, startup or mid-level companies, because everyone can't afford Oracle Fusion, right? So for
right,
the small companies or mid-level companies, Oracle want a niche customers also to be in their bucket. So they have introduced it. But to be frank, it's not that successful compared to other ERPs in the market. NetSuite is not competing with Zoho or other HR applications in the market. So
Okay.
calls or demand for that is not really good.
Okay, and our last question. Now we have multiple modules in this things, training what you have seen. See, I'm basically a Scrum Master, Transition Manager, and a Project Manager.
Okay.
Now HCM is somewhere related to human resource and app attendance management and all those things.
Yeah.
Is there any chance I can get 10 to 15 minutes where I can speak to you directly, because I have many questions before I jump into this?
Fine, no worries. You can reach out to me after 11 o'clock. Okay.
Okay,
I
okay.
will touch base. No worries.
Okay,
Lalit,
thank
please.
you. And I can reach out to your team. They can share your number, or how
Yeah.
is that?
They will connect with me directly. You can call to them. They will connect with me in the call.
Okay, because last in July also, because I'm a frequent traveler due to the official things, last July also I've tried to reach your
No
team.
worries, Shashi. You can reach out to them. They will do it. I will be on Introcom. No worries.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Lalit, please.
Yeah,
Lalit Boja, you are raising the
yeah.
hand, please.
So Kumar, as we are learning functional as well as technical module of this HCM, so let's say if we do the certification for any of a particular module, so will this be impacting our day-to-day job? Like, will this be segregated our module based on those certifications?
No,
Like,
generally not like that. Any certification you do, generally
Mhm,
it's a client, like, I mean, what to say, client will be in the impression that if the user is certified, then he's a good resource to my project, like that.
mhm.
But generally, any one of the certification, if you do also sufficient, but you will work on all other modules also as per your skill set. That doesn't
Okay,
determine that you are certified in this, you need to work only in this. No, if that way companies has to function means for every module they have to recruit one person. That's overloaded
mhm.
to them.
Okay, I
Yeah.
got that. And just one more thing. Are we getting our demo accesses today?
Today you will get, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Right, team. I'll conclude here for today. Let's join back tomorrow and we'll start the sessions. So I request everyone, please complete your registrations today. And tomorrow onwards, a separate meeting link we will share to attend the sessions, team. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.